Okay, you want to perform cumulative calculations in Microsoft Excel. So I'll give you two examples. The first example is where we want to give a balance against each of these transactions. So I'm in Excel 365, so I'm going to use scan. My initial value is the opening balance, comma, and my array is the array of transaction values, comma. So in the function argument, we have to use lambda. And in the first argument within lambda, we have to give a parameter name to our initial value. So I'll call it B for balance, comma. And then we have to give a parameter name to our array of amounts. So because they're transaction amounts, I'll call this TA. But you can give it any name you like, comma. So now we've specified all our parameter names, we have to specify our calculation. And very simply, our calculation will be the balance plus the transaction amount. So then I'll close the bracket for lambda and then for scan. If I press enter, I get all those balances. Now, if you just want to return the final balance, we can take this scan formula. If I paste it in here, I can then put scan within take. What I can do is specify that I only want to return the last row. So what I do in the rows argument, because it's the last row, I provide a value of -1 and then close the bracket for take, and I just get that final balance value. So in the second example, we're trying to calculate the cumulative bonus. If the salesperson reaches the target, which is 20,000, they get a 1,000 bonus in that month. So again, I'm going to use scan. My initial value at the beginning of the year is 0, no bonus, comma, and then my array are all these sales values, comma, and then our function we use lambda for, and we need to give a name to both the initial value and the array. So I'll call the initial value B for bonus, comma, and the array I'll call S for sales, comma. So the calculation for this is the bonus plus whatever bonus is achieved for that particular month. Now to work that out, I can use an if statement, and I would say if the sales are greater than or equal to the target, then I want to return the bonus value, otherwise return 0. So then I close the bracket for if, and then for lambda, and then for scan. If I press enter, it's going to work out that cumulative bonus. So at the end of the year, this person gets $6,000 as a bonus. And if I want to reduce this to one figure at the end of the year, I would take this scan formula. I'll paste it in here. And again, I'll use take to return the final row. So my array is returned by scan. And then to return the last row, I just write -1 in the rows argument, close the bracket and press enter. And there's my final bonus value. Now, the other way of returning this final value is to use the reduce function rather than the scan function. So if I take this scan formula and paste it into this cell and just swap scan for reduce, you'll see it returns that same final bonus value.